Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the user lock option missing from Power Menu in Windows 10 or 11. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the Registry Editor, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Run as administrator. Navigate to the following path. Click on HKey Local Machine. Then click Software. Microsoft. Scroll down. Then click on Windows. Then click on CurrentVersion. Scroll down. Then click Explorer. Click on FlyoutMenuSettings. Double-click ShowLockOption. Change the value data to 1, and ensure the base is set to hexadecimal. Click OK. Close the Registry Editor. Restart your computer for the change to take effect. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow, and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.